A team of meteorologists is tracking flash flood warnings all across SoCal.
So, Evelyn, where are the danger zones right now?
Yeah, at this point, Pat and Juan, we are looking at a new flash flood warning that's gone up in the last 30 minutes or so. This is the entire area on your screen. This includes parts of the San Gabriel Valley, the San Fernando Valley. We're already getting reports of flooding in the I-5 corridor. Of course, we're keeping all eyes on Altadena right now with the debris flows. We're looking at flash flood warnings for the Palisades burn scar. We're already at least 2 hours into that warning, and this is going to continue until 8 p.m. tonight. Severe thunderstorm warnings have now been extended through 6:30 p.m. Another 40 minutes to go. We're looking at hail, wind speed of 70 miles per hour, wind speeds of 70 miles per hour, and tornadic activity still a possibility. Again, the front is now starting to move through the San Gabriel Valley, continuing into our gateway cities, and eventually making its way into Orange County in the IE. But right now, the thick of it is really over LA County, San Gabriel Valley, the San Fernando Valley, the Basin included as well, and Palisades still looking at flooding. So you've got flash flood warnings now, multiple, up until 8, even 9 p.m. You're also looking at those severe thunderstorm warnings in effect for the majority of the San Gabriel Valley. We're talking the 210 corridor, and we could continue to see, again, thunderstorms move into Orange County and move into the IE. Some locations, just want to put this on your radar, literally, for flash flooding right now include Malibu, Chatsworth, Northridge, Woodland Hills, Encino Van Nuys, Santa Clarita, North Hollywood, Agora Hills, Beverly Hills, Santa Monica, Universal City, Burbank, Hollywood, Venice, Culver City, and Griffith Park. So we're really looking at even flood concerns in the basin as well because of the heavy rain that's moving through. It's moving through quickly, and we're going to track it all. And we're also going to take a look at our rainfall totals with Dani.
Hi, Ev. Yeah, my goodness, this is a powerful storm that's moving through Southern California, and we've only seen rain for a couple hours in some areas, and we are already seeing several inches of rain piling up. So a big concern was up to the San Gabriel Mountains, San Gabriel Dam seeing almost 4 inches of rain so far, La Cañada, Flint Ridge, 2 inches and a quarter of rain. So we're seeing quite a bit. A big concern out of this storm, it's been the rain rates, and that's really just talking about how intense the rain is in a certain period of time, and that's why there's been concerns for debris flows and mudslides and flash flooding, and that's why we're dealing with these flash flood warnings. Beverly Hills, more than close to 1 3/4 inches of rain. Downtown Los Angeles, 1.5 inches of rain, and we're not done yet. Anaheim Hills, almost 1 inch, and Costa de Caza, 1.5 inches of rain, a little more than that. So let's talk about what's next. It's all about the concerns for flooding. So we're not done with the storm, but the good news is as this cold front moves through, yes, along the cold front, we're getting this really intense rain, but behind it, you're not going to see a whole lot. So we're not going to be dealing a lot of activity once that cold front moves through, but we're still looking at concerns for flash flooding in those areas that I've mentioned. And then you're also looking at that flash flood outlook. It's going to be severe for areas like San Bernardino, Ontario, the San Gabriel Valley, over into downtown Los Angeles. So let's talk timing of the rain. I mean, this is going to be key. I'm going to take a step out of the way to zoom you into a couple different areas. So what's going to happen as we go into the evening time? So this is close to 8 o'clock. You can see behind the front, LA County is going to start to dry out, but the heaviest stuff is now making its way into southern Orange County. San Clemente is going to be seeing those downpours. Laguna Niguel, when you see those oranges and those yellows, this is going to be the case for the Santa Ana Mountains. And then also take a look what's happening in Hemet. Hemet hasn't seen a whole lot of rain, and now it's going to make its way that way. San Bernardino, some light showers, and then up through Big Bear, we're going to start to see some snow levels dropping a bit as we go into late tonight, early tomorrow morning. This continues until 9 o'clock, and then you can still see that heavy rain lingering until 10 o'clock. So the focus for the IE and also Orange County, it's going to be 6 o'clock to around 10 o'clock this evening, and then things are going to start to die down a little bit. We've got gusty winds out there. I've mentioned it, especially where we're seeing that severe thunderstorm warning, gusts nearing 70 miles per hour in some areas. We'll take a look at the next 7 days because thankfully we are getting a break. So we're going to get to the weekend, sunny, still cooler on Saturday, but starting to warm up on Sunday. One more look, we'll take a look at the valleys, upper 60s by Saturday. So some lingering showers tomorrow morning, the bulk of it is out of here. We're done with the heaviest piece of this storm. And then the weekend, Pat and Juan, it's looking good. And we're going to see temperatures in the low 70s staying rain-free all the way into next week. So once we get through this storm, we're getting a much needed break. We're grateful for the rain, but it's been a lot of rain in a little bit of time.
It has. Nice to see those sunshine
Oh, yeah.
symbols up here. All right,
Lots of them,
thanks,
too.
Dani.